afternoon everyone. I am Shruti Jain from Electronics and Telecommunication Department. In this lecture we are going to understand the addition of two 16-bit numbers in microprocessor. So here is the program. This is the simplest program I have written. I have given direct values of these 16-bit numbers which we want to add. Let's understand this program. First instruction is LXIH2050H. This instruction means instruction will load this immediate value in HL register pair. Why HL? Because here X has come. When X comes in instruction, that means there is need to take register pair values. So we will load this immediate value in HL register pair. Now the next instruction is LXIB0102H. This is the same instruction, but here the register pair is BC register pair. So this instruction means we are loading this immediate value in BC register pair. Now coming to the next instruction, this is LXID1210H. In this we are loading this immediate value in DE register pair. Suppose we want to add these two 16-bit numbers. So what we will do? We will first add these LSB bits and then MSB bits. Why we are doing like this? Because the ALU of the microprocessor works on 8 bit. That's why we will first add these 2 bit and then these bits with the help of carry. So for adding these values of C register pair and for C register and E register, one of the value we will take in accumulator. So we have copied the value of C register in accumulator and then we have performed this addition with E. So here the value of accumulator will add with the value of E register. So this value 02 and 10 will get added with the help of this instruction. So this is so after this we will get the result of addition of LSB bits. So we will save the result at some memory location with the help of this instruction. So here we will, with the help of this, the result of LSB bits will store at memory location. What is the memory location? Which is addressed by this address 2050. So the value will store at 2050 memory location. Now coming to the next instructions, now we will add the MSB bits. MSB bits are in B register and D register. One of the value we will take in accumulator. So we have take the value of B register in accumulator and now we are performing the addition with carry. So with the help of this instruction we will add the value of D register, accumulator and carry we will add with this instruction. And microprocessor takes the value of carry by itself with the help of carry flag. So this is how I have performed the addition of MSB bits. Now I want to store the result at some location. So I will increment this address location by 1 with the help of this instruction. This instruction will increment the HL value by 1. So after this instruction the value of HL register will be 2051H and at that location I have again transferred our value of accumulator. And now this is the ending of the program. So these are the assembly language, but when we insert our program in microprocessor we will convert this assembly language into operational code or machine code language so that microprocessor can understand this easily or CPU can execute the program with the help of this machine codes. So we know very well this is the 3-byte instructions. These 3 are 3-byte instructions. So the opcode of this instruction is 21. Then first I will write LSB, then MSB, then the opcode of this instruction is 01, then LSB bit, then MSB bit. Same I will do in this instruction. And these remaining instructions we can see that these are only 1-byte instructions. So only opcode we will write here. There is no operand. So these are 1-byte instruction only. So this is how I have written the opcodes of all the instructions. Now we will perform this program in microprocessor kit. Now we will perform this program in microprocessor kit. For performing this program, first I will press reset to reset the kit. Then I will press examine memory button. We will see one dot here. That means our kit is ready to take the addresses. So first I will insert the value of starting address from which we want to store our program. Suppose this is 2000. Then next I will press next to write the data corresponding to this 2000 address. Our opcode is 21, so I will write 21 here. Now next, as I press next, we will see auto increment in address takes place. So this address section will automatically incremented by 1 when I will press next. So I just need to give the value of opcode here in data section. So at 2001 address, the opcode is 50. So I am entering 50, then 20, then 01, then 02, then next is 01, then next opcode is 11, then LSB 10, then 12. This is how I am typing the program. Now the next opcode is 79, then next is 83. If we miss any data, we can rewrite here. Suppose the exact value is 54, I can rewrite here 54. But the exact value corresponding to 2008 is 83. So I am entering 83 here. Now next is 77. Next is 78. Next is 8A. Next is 23. We can see previous value also with the help of this button. Previously we have entered 8A. And next we have entered 23. Now we need to enter 77. Then last is 76, which is hold. Now next. So we have entered all the program here. Now we want to execute this program so that microprocessor can debug this program. So for execution we will press this go key. So first we will press reset for reset our kit. Then we will press go. Now we will type the first address or the starting address from which we have stored our program, which is 2000 and fill. Now you will see here it represents E in address section. E shows that our program has been executed successfully. So this is how we have executed our program. Now for getting the output, where we will see our output, output has stored at 2050 and 2051H memory location. So for getting the output, I will first press reset, then examine memory, then our address where our output has stored, which is 2050. So it will show, it has shown 1 2. 1 2 means the addition of LSB bits. LSB bits are 0 2 and 1 0. So the addition is 1 2. So this is the right addition it has shown. The result of MSB bits I have stored at 2051 location, which is 1 3. We can clearly see the addition of 1 2 and 0 1 is 1 3. That means it has shown the right result of LSB bits and MSB bits. This is how I have executed and performed these addition programs. These codes can be written in different type of instruction set also. You can write your program with you can write your own program and you can perform this. Thank you.